Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your March love and work forecast for Sagittarius. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Sagittarius, this reading is for you. If you know a Sagittarius, you can cross watch it for them. Subscribe, like, and share. Friends, subscribe. And join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com, friends. So you can check out other readings for March that I have done. March pick a card readings, charms reading, lot of readings I have done, friends. So check that out. Let's see theme of the month for Sagittarius. And thank you so much, friends. Some of you donated to our channel. Thank you so much. It really, really helps because the, workloads are too much, and it's a lot of work, friends. It's a lot of work. I trust me. If you try, you can try it. You try running your own channel with the same amount of readings I'm doing on two channels. You'll find it like what is going on. Thank you. It really keeps me motivated and keeps the decks also coming for you. So yeah, thank you so much, and let's see the theme of the month for Sagittarius. Ooh, so Seven of Swords. So I do feel, and the Three of Wands. Oh my God, yeah, wonderful. Sagittarius, you are definitely moving ahead. For the theme of the month is expansion. For moving forward, changing your cities, moving into a new house, into a new city, a country, a new job, expansion, expansion, expansion. You are expanding your horizons, and you are moving into good times, Sagittarius. Yes, I do feel. How do I say this? You had been through a lot of competition. You had been through people who cheated on you, who deceived you, who broke your heart, broke your promises, broke their promises. But you are gonna recover from it all, friends. You are gonna recover because see, there's Six of Swords. Life is moving forward, life is moving towards peace. There is something to look forward in this month for you. A lot of peace, a lot of happiness, a lot of hope for the future. Definitely, if some of you were feeling rejected in work or at your money, you felt rejected by life, or in love, you felt rejected, things are gonna improve. You will feel hopeful, you will feel excited again. You will also feel like, yes, I'm ready for some changes, I can do it. So your confidence is level up, and definitely traveling, moving forward to happiness is your theme. What a great month. Expansion is your theme, and Sagittarius love to expand, love to try new things. So I feel you're gonna enjoy this month a lot. So let's see who is coming for you in love. Sagittarius, the Hermit, the Moon, the High Priestess. Oh, all major arcanas, and the Queen of Wands. So wow, Sagittarius, your own energy. You could be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or someone very passionate is coming towards you. I feel there is a person who is being a hermit. They are very emotional, a very emotional, a very intense connection. You have a telepathic connection with this person, your twin flame, your soulmate, your husband wife, your ex-husband wife. Yes, they are coming back, or they are thinking about you. It could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or a Virgo, Taurus person that's coming towards you. I see that someone is seeing you like this, this beautiful queen or king of wands. They are seeing your power, they are seeing your beauty, and they are very, very, very attracted towards you. I see this is a very intense connection that's coming towards you. It's also a very, very secretive connection. I don't know. It's like this person's feelings are in secret, or you both want to keep this connection a little secret, or you want to protect this connection from the world. I feel this person who is coming is very protective of you because they see your light, they see you shining, so they want to protect you. So your love life, Sagittarius. Wow, Eight of Cups, you're moving forward. Let's see what else. Two of Wands and the Eight of Cups, Eight of Swords, Page of Swords. Okay, so I see a lot of confusions happening here. I see someone that moved away from you, that left you, that was, Someone left. I think you walked away from someone, Sagittarius, in the past. You left a connection or a person because this person was not making a move towards you. They were stuck. They were not telling you how they feel. They were keeping you confused. They were keeping you tied down. I feel this person may be suffering from anxiety, depression, or they were having some sort of worry or problem at that point of time. You walked away from them. I feel this person wanna come back to you. They wanna come back because they wanna be this mature person to you. They wanna bring this relationship in balance. But I feel like I don't know why, but your walls are up, Sagittarius. You are like, why are you back? Why are you back? You're very strong this month, Sagittarius. You may be talking to this person online through social media or through phones, etc. So this is a long distance connection. So if this is long distance, you will be very strict with them. You will ask them some tough questions like why, what happened in the past, what was going on. I think this person will win you eventually because a breakthrough is coming in this connection. There is definitely love on both sides, attraction, passion. It's just that this person is stuck somewhere else in the past. I feel they are gaining their confidence and they're gonna make a move towards you. Some breakthroughs are coming in this connection. I also see that this person will move out of their comfort zone. This connection is asking you both to move out of your comfort zone. A cycle is over, but a new one will start. And there will be excitement, there will be happy days again in this connection. So, I do feel this is a past person, but they are coming with a brand new energy, or rather, with a brand new understanding, because High Priestess is like awareness. They have become wiser than before. They are not this person who is a cheater, they are not this person who will deceive you. They are a different person, or at least they are trying to be a different person, Sagittarius. But you gonna surely ask them, why, mister, you are here? So let's see some advice for Sagittarius. Ooh, power. You're very powerful, friends, in your love life. I definitely feel that other people are attracted by your power. They find you very seductive this month because of your power. And some people which know you, or which are your husband, wife, or your twin flame lovers, they are a little scared of your power, Sagittarius. Partnerships and alliances, yes. People are drawn to your power, your sexiness, your sassiness, but you have to cooperate. You both have to cooperate a little to make this relationship work. And spiritual strength, yeah, I do feel that this relationship has caused you a lot of confusion, a lot of pain, but you're gonna recover from it. Yeah, this month you're gonna recover from it. Wisdom, yes, definitely you have to be the wise one. I see a lot of changes, a lot of positive changes happening in your love life, and it is like the sun will shine again for you. The sun will shine again in your love life. So keep moving forward and keep trusting that good things are happening for you, Sagittarius. Let's see your work. Your work in March, Sagittarius. Oh, material and spiritual prosperity, patience. You're working hard. You are being perfectionist here. Heartache and loss. You're also feeling very lonely because you're working, working, working. All right, so let me see. What is this tower about? Okay, I see that you are very busy at work, Sagittarius. Some of you may be feeling alone while you are working because, like, nobody understands you at your work, nobody supports you. Maybe your work is such that your family doesn't understand your work. So, there is this sense of feeling, there is this sense that you are feeling left out, or you are feeling like, oh, there is so much work, you miss your family, you live away from them. So, there is a feeling of loneliness at your work, or not being understood, but or not being appreciated at your work. But I feel this will change in March because you will be rewarded, you will be awarded, you will be recognized. And not just that, money is coming your way. So keep your patience, keep working, because you are going to achieve a victory, you are going to be rewarded, you are going to um, be recognized for your hard work. You may not, people may not see it now, but by the time mid month March, everything will change for you. I do see some tower movements may happen, like some sudden changes, sudden quick changes. Like you may have to travel suddenly for work, or sudden opportunities may come, like a sudden job call will be coming, or you have a sudden change in your career. or by chance, you get a new management and they just award you for something, or like it is like, your principal changes or your HOD changes and they grant you this degree. So you're like, wow, what, this was what we were waiting for. The earlier person was not giving you recognition, then the management shifts and you were rewarded. So you're like, wow, this is what was supposed to happen. So focus on the light, friends. Keep working, stay positive, and keep your focus on expansion. I do see that you may leave a job this month, or you may just want to expand. Anything you want to expand, your work, your career, your education, you want to travel, you want to expand, you want to also go on a vacation also. So a lot of expansion is there. But you may also feel like your goals are not shared by other people, your visions are not shared by other people. You want long term success, but people may not understand this. But I think it is like, maybe you are a model, maybe you are a creative person, an artist, a media person. So such jobs, maybe you are doing something that other people around you cannot understand. You may feel lonely, but it's okay. You have your own path, right? Shark, take care, or there will be a loss of material wealth. Teapot, deep friendships with the people of same sex. So yeah, you could be having a same sex relationship or new friendships also. Not unsuccessful plans. April is important. November, Gavel, involvement with the law. So some of you may be getting a degree, or maybe permissions to travel, or some sort of an achievement. Ring, yeah, commitment is happening. A marriage may take place, in either romantic or business. Happiness is coming. Wind chimes, peace and harmony are coming. Lobster, financial pinch. Ooh, so something regarding finances is important. Reds, loss over a sorrow. Yeah, you're feeling a bit left out at work. Weeping willow, family sorrow. I don't know what's happening in your family. I don't see much. I mean, like, I don't see any problems there, but yeah. It may be like you have to shift or relocate, and they are like, no, 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 don't go. You have to shift homes, or you get a transfer. You have a transferable job, heartache over what you no longer have. Skull, hidden secrets can harm you. Man, dealings or relationship with a man. So that's it for now, Sagittarius. Happy March, and make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.